if you're experiencing FPS drops while playing Elden Ring, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow this guide to optimize your gaming experience. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers for your graphics card. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in Elden Ring. Navigate to the options menu and read your settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadows to improve performance. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This can free up system resources and help the game run more smoothly. Step 4. Optimize power settings. Change your computer's power settings to high performance. This setting can be found in the control panel under power options and will ensure your hardware is running at its best. Step 5. Check for system overheating. Ensure your system is not overheating, as this can lead to throttling and performance drops. Clean your computer's vents and fans, and consider using a cooling pad if you're on a laptop. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing Elden Ring. Enjoy your gaming.